Have you ever asked yourself what happens if you fall into a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so powerful that nothing can escape, not even light. These monsters are born when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The result? A tiny but incredibly dense point called a singularity. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Step too close, and space stretches, time slows, and escape becomes impossible. From the outside, you'd appear frozen in time, but inside, you'd be pulled toward the singularity where the laws of physics break down. Have you ever wondered what happens if you fall into a black hole? How does its gravity really work? And why can't even light escape it? Today, we'll explore the mysteries of black holes, their mind-bending gravity, and some fascinating facts that will blow your mind. A black hole is not just a hole in space. It is a region where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But how is such a thing created? Black holes are usually formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycle. Imagine a star many times bigger than our Sun shrinking into an incredibly tiny point. This point is called a singularity, and it is surrounded by the event horizon, the point of no return. If anything crosses the event horizon, it can never escape again. Now let's talk about gravity. Normally, gravity pulls objects together, like Earth pulls us down and keeps the Moon in orbit. But inside a black hole, gravity is on another level. It becomes so powerful that it bends and warps the very fabric of space and time. Imagine a trampoline with a heavy bowling ball in the center. The surface bends down. Now replace that bowling ball with something infinitely heavy. That is what a black hole does to space itself. Its gravity is so strong that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, cannot escape once it comes too close. The event horizon is like a cosmic one-way door. Once you pass it, escape is impossible. And at the very center lies the singularity, where all the mass is compressed into a single point. The problem is, our current laws of physics cannot fully explain what happens at the singularity. It is a place where space, time, and matter break down in ways we still don't understand. One of the strangest effects of black holes is time dilation. Near a black hole, time actually slows down compared to the rest of the universe. If you were to watch someone fall into a black hole, from your perspective they would seem to move slower and slower, almost frozen at the edge. But for the person falling in, time would feel normal and they would reach the singularity quickly. This shows just how much black holes can twist our understanding of time itself. And here are some fun and mind-blowing facts. Some black holes are billions of times more massive than our Sun. These are called supermassive black holes, and they sit at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Some black holes also spin rapidly, dragging space around them like a giant whirlpool. And scientists are discovering new black holes every year, with telescopes capturing evidence of their existence across the universe. Many experts believe black holes may hold secrets about dark matter, galaxy formation, and maybe even the origins of the universe itself. So, can we ever escape a black hole? According to our current science, the answer is no. Once you pass the event horizon, escape is impossible. But from the outside, black holes continue to be one of the most fascinating mysteries in space. Black holes are among the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. Their gravity, their ability to bend space and time, and the secrets they hold make them endlessly fascinating to study. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, a black hole is bending space, warping time, and hiding mysteries we are only beginning to uncover. If you enjoyed this journey into the universe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another exploration of space and science.